what is up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of a makeup declutter. As you can see, my makeup collection is exploding and we're going to try and make it a little bit more reasonable. I just bought some new storage things, so I want to get my whole makeup collection decluttered and cleaned. Be sure to check out my makeup room organizing video. If that's not up, it will be up soon. But anyways, let's get to the decluttering. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. So I pulled out everything from the drawers and then all of the extra little makeup laying around that didn't have a home, and put them in the drawers that they would belong in, but they just didn't fit, so they were just kind of sitting out. But yeah, this is crazy. So basically I'm gonna go by type of product. So if I'm keeping it, I'm just going to keep it in the drawer that it comes in, and then if I'm either giving it away or trashing it, it's going to go in this bin. Yeah, let's get to it.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
Didn't see it coming, but I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't even know how to do this. I don't need a map like to show me how. Show me how. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
Okay, so I just finished decluttering for face. I actually didn't declutter too terribly much. I just like having a lot of different products to reference to for other videos. So things that I felt unsure about, I just kept because, I don't know, it's not really hurting anybody. I just feel more comfortable, you know, having it for my videos. But this is what I did decide to get rid of. I got rid of a lot of like sample items that I wasn't using. The Ciate bronzer. This Tarte guy I've used for quite some time, and I just don't like it anymore. It has a really strong shift to it. By the way, this is the Park Ave Princess bronzer. I got rid of the ABH stick foundation. It just doesn't work like it used to. It used to be really smooth and creamy, and now it just makes me look dry and I have problems blending it. I got rid of a few Wet n Wild highlighters. So the Air highlighter from the new collection from them. We have the Mega Glow highlighters in Golden Flower Crown and Blossom Glow. I was so excited when these came out, but they just aren't as good as the original, so bye. I have a couple loose blushes from Lottie Lundy and Ofra. I don't have a palette, so I'm just not going to use these. I have this Laura Geller blush. It's just really shimmery, and I have so many that look like it. This MAC blush is just really old, to be quite honest. Wet n Wild foundation. I don't like the way it smells, and mine's like crusty. I don't know if you can see, but this is like all crusty, so getting rid of that. I got rid of a lot of liquid highlighters just because I don't use liquid highlighters. This is the Bobbi Brown Cushion Foundation. It dried out. I just don't want it anymore. This NYX concealer is literally terrible. This is the Gotcha Covered concealer. Yeah, but the rest of this is like little samples that I know I'm never going to use. A couple Bare Minerals things. I don't know who uses Bare Minerals anymore. And NARS Orgasm Blush. This is just super duper old, honestly. I think I've had this probably for 8 years. Disgusting. So yeah, that's what I'm decluttering for face. Let's move on to the eyes. So we added some eye things that I'm getting rid of. So I have this Ben Nye eyebrow pencil that I never use. I got rid of a couple just eyeliner pencils that I got in my BoxyCharms that I never use. This is a brow thing that I was so excited to get by Pixi, and it's terrible. It doesn't stick to the skin at all. I have a couple single shadows that just simply don't get used. These Wet n Wild ones, I bought basically this whole collection. I just wasn't into it. I did keep one, but these three, they're just not that good quality. This is another single shadow I didn't use. This is a Flower Beauty cream pot. Never used. Dried up eyeliner. This Revlon RI like glitter thingy. I kept onto this for a long time, but I just simply never use it. So this thing from BoxyCharm, this is like an eyebrow. So one end has a brush and the other end has the pomade, but yeah, it's just not good. I have a couple dried out eyeliners. This is one of those weird rolly liner thingies that I know I'll just never use. I have this eyeliner that I've never used except for like once. This NYX gel eyeshadow. It's a foil cream gel eyeshadow. It dried out. This Mally cream eyeshadow pen that I never used. Here's a swatch right here of it. And then I just have a bunch of old MAC single eyeshadows that have to be like, I'm not even kidding, 10 years old. So that's the eye stuff. So let's move on to lips. I'm actually going to empty this and put the lips in here.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place we all make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So for the most part, I actually had decluttered my lip products not too long ago, so I don't have too much. Mostly I threw away a lot of the little samples. They just take up space and I never use them. I got rid of a couple, there's another one in here, of the Stila liquid lipsticks. I don't really like their formula. They're really drying. Here's another sample, Bare Mineral sample gloss. I got rid of a couple of the metallic lip colors that I had because I just don't use them. This is just a dumb little lip gloss. I don't know why I have it. I also got rid of a lot of these NYX little soft matte creams. I got the whole vault a couple years ago. I really do like the formula of these, and you will see that I kept a lot, but I also threw a lot away of the colors that I just will never ever use. And this is a bright purple Lorac lipstick that came in my BoxyCharm that I'm just never ever gonna use. I didn't like this Wet n Wild formula for lip gloss, and the rest of the stuff I found just to be old. I've had them for too long, so I'm going to throw everything in here so you can see everything that I am decluttering. So here we are. Here is everything that I'm decluttering. Pretty good, I think, because I did declutter not too terribly long ago. So I did get some more things out of the drawers. Of course, I didn't go over my palettes. If you want to see that, check out my palette declutter video. So this was just what was in my makeup drawers, not my entire collection. I have a few bits and bobs, but this is the majority of my collection that I just went through and cleansed. So thank you for tuning into this video. Remember to tune in to my organizing my entire makeup room area of me getting all of this junk over here and putting it where it belongs. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, have a great day.